Hey guys, it's Cassie, and today's video is actually going to be a vlog of the day before our wedding, which is super exciting. I just did not film an intro for this video, so this is future me popping in here. I was originally planning on adding the last video I posted and this one all together into one like whole pre-wedding vlog, but I ended up with way too much footage for that, so we're doing two separate vlogs, which is why you guys are getting this video today on Friday as a different day than my normal upload schedule. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy the video. Let's go ahead and get into the pre-wedding festivities. Good morning guys, and happy Friday. It is currently the day before our wedding. I don't know if you guys can hear the background noise, but I'm currently brewing coffee. That's a must-have this morning. I feel like this whole week has been just go, 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 and I have not had time to rest. And I don't know if it's a good thing or a bad thing, but today is going to be the same way. We have a lot going on. We're basically getting everything ready to go for the wedding, and then we are going to be checking into our hotel tonight. So to kind of explain what we're doing with that, Johnny is going to be staying at a home tonight, and I am gonna go stay in a hotel with my mom and my aunt and my sister, just having like a girls' night type of a thing. And basically the reason why we're doing that is because it's like supposed to be bad luck to see your fiance on your wedding day. Where we live together, we don't want to both be waking up in the same place so that we're seeing each other. So basically I mean it's kind of silly. We were unsure if we were actually going to follow that tradition, but we decided that we are. So anyways, we're gonna go check into that hotel tonight. But anyways, I'm gonna just chill here and drink some coffee for a little bit, relax before we start our crazy stressful day that we have ahead of us, and I will update you guys in a little bit. Okay guys, so update, we got up and of course got ready, so we're all set to go for the day. And what I've been doing so far today is kind of going through all of my decor and like gifts and stuff that I'm going to be using for the wedding. And I've just been trying to figure out where the wedding was canceled, what decor pieces we're still using, and what we still need to make sure we get to the venue, and then also get together all of my gifts for everybody that I have involved in the wedding. But I wanted to show you guys everything that we're not going to be using, and then also just a couple of sneak peeks of the things that we will be using, even though you'll see it on our wedding day vlog, but I still wanted to show you. So first I'll show you guys what we're not using. So this is the first thing that we're not using. It's like this ginormous canvas print of Johnny and I. It's actually kind of funny because this one was actually kind of a fail to begin with anyways. We had originally thought that it would be quite a bit smaller than this actually, and what we were going to do is have everybody that comes to the wedding, instead of signing like a standard guest book, we were going to have them sign this canvas. But like, just to give you guys an idea of how actually big it is, like here's my hand next to it, and then this is the whole thing. Like, it's so big. So especially now that we're just doing like a small ceremony with our parents, we're definitely not going to be using this. So what we're gonna do, I think, is while we're out and about today, we have to run a few errands, just grabbing stuff to get ready for the wedding. So I think that while we're at one of the stores that we're at, we're gonna try and see if we can pick up a different guest book that's like smaller and see if we can use that instead of this, because obviously with like 5 signatures, this is gonna be absolutely ridiculous. Plus I don't even know we're gonna hang a canvas this big. We thought it was gonna be smaller. So I thought that thing was pretty funny. The next thing that I wanted to show you guys is this cute little pen holder though. You're supposed to put the pens for the guest book in it. So we were going to put the pens that they were going to use to sign the canvas in here, and then it would be sitting on the table with the guest book. But now obviously we are not using the guest book, but I'm hoping that if we're able to get a different guest book, like a smaller one that makes sense to use for our little ceremony, then we may still use this. I'm not really sure yet, but it's in the pile of things that we're not using for now. And then the next thing that I wanted to show you guys that we're not going to be using are these little lights. Now what I was going to do with these, they're actually like water activated lights, so when you set them in water they turn on. We were going to put like flowers around them so that this was like the middle part of the flower. I don't really know how to explain that better, but hopefully you guys can get the picture picture of just like a flower around it with the little light in the middle. And then once you set it in water, it activates, so it'd be like a little light with a flower around it. The venue has little fountains, so we were gonna put those all in the fountain so that it would be lit up and pretty, but we never really got the flowers to do it, and where it's such a small thing anyways, we kind of figured that was like too small of a detail to really worry about at this point. So we're gonna not be doing that anymore, sadly, but I just wanted to show you guys. So anyways, that's all of the stuff that we are not going to be using anymore, and then I'll show you guys some of the stuff, like a little overview of the things that we are still gonna be using. And so here is the pile of stuff that we are still going to be using. So right here I have my welcome sign, which I'm not gonna show you guys yet, but you'll definitely see that in what should be the next vlog, our wedding day vlog. And then we have some stuff that I'm going to give to the flower girls and the ring bearer. This is like the stuff that they're gonna use when they're walking down the aisle. And then here is what was originally our table numbers, and then little signs for mine and Johnny's table, which we're not gonna be eating a meal anymore, but we still wanted to set up our table and take some pictures. So we're gonna still take that just to kind of still get those photo ops. And then we have some, right here at the bottom, we have some like charger plates, which is, if you don't know what that is, it's basically a decorative plate that like you use to set a table. So same thing, we're still gonna go set up like our table. So we wanted to take a few of those just for photo ops. Our honeymoon fund little box thing, we're still gonna take it. I mean, we're only gonna have a few people there, so it kind of is a little bit silly, but we're still gonna take it because whatever, we still want to be able to have some fun. And then over here we have a couple of little signs that we're going to use for mine and Johnny's table once again, which I'll show you guys in, once again, the next vlog. So make sure you guys check it out next Tuesday. Our wedding day vlog will be going up when you guys can see all of this kind of put together and see what that ends up looking like. So that is all of the stuff that I've kind of been working on for the last little while, is just kind of separating these things and getting them ready to go. I also have a pile of stuff in another corner that's going to the hotel with us tonight. So we're just kind of getting everything ready to go that way. Right now I'm gonna start putting together all of the gifts that I have for everybody, and I'll probably show you guys that a little bit later in this vlog as I'm kind of like putting that together, because we have some really cute stuff for everybody involved in the wedding. But yeah, I'll check in with you guys a little bit later. I'm gonna start putting that stuff together now. Okay, so now I wanted to show you guys, I just got done putting together all of the gifts. I think that we're still going to get some wrapping stuff to wrap some of these, just because I think that they would be better if we kind of like put them in a bag or something. But I'll show you guys what we have for the gifts for some of the people involved in the wedding. So I'm sure that you guys will end up seeing this stuff on either our wedding day vlog or something like that, but this is just like more of an in-depth kind of showing you guys what I got for everybody. So these are for our flower girls. It basically is just like a keepsake that like says that they will be able to carry this as their something old on their wedding day. It's a little handkerchief, and we just put them in these little boxes. So we have 2 of them for our flower girls. And then I have a handkerchief for my dad that just has this little like sentimental saying for him. And then I have this little keychain that I'm giving to my aunt, and then I'm probably going to like do like a handwritten letter to go along with it, just like thanking her for everything that she's done for us, because she has been an amazing help honestly throughout this whole process, and she's just been so supportive. So definitely want to show her some love with that. Thought it was super cute. And then probably a letter to go with it. I have this letter with this adorable like little message thing for her, I guess, on it. I'm super excited to give that to my mother-in-law day of the wedding. And then for all of my bridesmaids, I had originally gotten this makeup bag. This is like a little necklace in here too. Didn't open that one already. But anyway, so here's the little necklace, and then the tote bag that says Bride Tribe. I was going to give these to all of my bridesmaids, which I probably still will give them to all of my bridesmaids, but only one of them is actually going to be their day of, so I'll give this to her probably tonight. It's my sister. And then we'll give the rest of them to the bridesmaids later on, just because they were supposed to be a part of the wedding, and I still want them to like have these things even though they didn't get to be there. And then we got this adorable wallet for our little ring bearer that just like says thank you for being our ring security, because I don't think I've mentioned this yet, but we're doing ring security as his title instead of ring bearer, so we thought that was super fun. And then for all of Johnny's groomsmen, he has these little flasks that just are kind of engraved in here with their name and everything. So yeah, this is kind of the stuff that we're giving to everybody. Oh, also I was gonna show you guys, we got robes and hangers that are personalized for everyone as well. These were supposed to be given to everybody at the hotel. Originally the plan was that the whole wedding party was gonna stay at the hotel, including like the flower girls and like Johnny's mom and everything, but just because we're trying to keep everything kind of smaller groups, we're now only doing my mom and my aunt and then my sister. But I just still wanted to show you guys, we're still gonna give these to them. So here is an example of the hanger. So this one is one for one of the flower girls. Yeah, so it has our date engraved, and then it's engraved with their name and then their title. So we're probably gonna go over there and give these to them today. So we've got the flower girls, we've got all of my bridesmaids that would have been able to be there, and then my mom has one, I have one that's white, more bridesmaids, Johnny's mom has one, bridesmaids. Oh, my aunt also gets one since she is our officiant. Bridesmaids. So, oh, also the robes are also personalized, so just to show you guys again with the flower girls, so it has their name on this side, and then on the back it has their title once again. So like she has flower girl, and then the bridesmaids have bridesmaid, and then my mom has mother of the bride. So yeah, it just kind of has their title on the back. That was like one really important thing that I wanted to have so bad for my wedding, was little robes that were personalized and pretty. So I'm sad that like everybody's not going to be there to get it all together, and I'm still going to give the people theirs that weren't able to be involved with the wedding, but at least you know, the people like my mom and my aunt and my sister who are going to be at the hotel with me tonight will be able to still get those and use them while they're getting ready for the wedding. Also, I almost forgot, probably one of the most important gifts that I'm going to be giving is this little painting for my mom. This is a little sneak peek of sort of what my dress is going to look like. I sent the girl a picture and she was able to kind of replicate something that looks pretty close to my dress. And then this is a replication of something pretty close that my mom's dress is going to look like. And then I sent her pictures of how we are both doing our hair for the wedding day. So it's made to look like how we look on the wedding day. And then it just has this cute little quote that I put on there, love Cassie. So I thought that that was such a fun thing, and I honestly love how it turned out so much. I mean, it's not exact, obviously, it doesn't look exactly like us, but I just thought it was so fun that it was like a drawing of us together, and it's supposed to be us on the wedding day. So I'm really excited to give this to her, and I hope that she likes it. Also, I just want to mention that all of this stuff, so every gift that you see here, and then all of the robes and the hangers as well, they are all from Etsy. And I have absolutely loved Etsy throughout the process of planning my wedding. I mean, all of this stuff, it's just so sentimental and perfect. It's personalized with everybody's name, you know, and it just has so much more sentimental value. And so definitely, I'll probably link all of these things below, all of these Etsy shops. Definitely check them out, because all of the owners of these shops have been amazing to work with. You know, they've all made sure that I've gotten everything on time for the wedding, and when there have been little mistakes that have been made along the way, like some of them have had typos and that sort of thing, but I've messaged them and they have been so apologetic and helpful in getting everything sent back perfectly and on time for the wedding. So I'll link everything down below, but everything just turned out so beautiful, and I'm so excited to give everybody their gifts. We are in the car now. We're on the way to Target because we're going to pick up, like I had said before, try to find a guest book that we can actually use, and then hopefully be able to also get some wrapping stuff for some of those gifts so that we can wrap those up. I'm not sure if we're gonna vlog in Target or not, but we're doing that, and then we're gonna go to Johnny's mom's house probably, because we need to pick up a few things from there, and then we're also probably gonna drop off their robes and stuff so that while they're getting ready tomorrow they can have those. So I'm not sure how much of that I am going to vlog, but I will definitely keep you guys updated. So it's been a little while since I last updated you guys. We've been so busy. We finished putting together all of the gifts and making sure that everything is wrapped and ready to go. And then we packed my bags since I'm going to stay the night at the hotel tonight. I'm hoping that we have everything. Today has been so crammed full of stuff. Like, we have been go non-stop. Like, I haven't even eaten anything today besides a granola bar, so that's pretty much where we're at. And we're late for check-in. I mean, you can check in whenever you want, but we were kind of imagining us going and checking in around like 4 o'clock-ish, and it's basically 4:20 right now. So yeah, we're running behind, but that's okay. There's really no timeline. I mean, we're not doing anything tonight, you know, besides staying at the hotel, but we don't have really any plans. We are on our way there, and I'm hoping that I will be able to do like a little hotel tour when we get there to kind of show you guys where we're staying. And I'm gonna show you guys because I'm hoping to decorate my mom and my aunt and my sister's bed at the hotel and kind of put some stuff up for them and like some little gifts that I have. Johnny's coming with me because the hotel's under his name, so he's coming with me to kind of help set up everything with that, and then I'll kind of show you around, and yeah, I'll kind of check in with you guys whenever I can a little bit later on. We made it to the hotel. I'm in the bathroom right now, obviously. It's actually really nice in here. Everything's so pretty. I feel like even the camera like does not do it justice in here because it's beautiful. But I wanted to show you guys because I have my aunt and my mom and my sister's gifts set up on their beds. So I'm gonna show you guys that really quick, and then I'll give you guys a tour of my room. So this is what it looks like kind of when you walk in to their room. And I have my Aunt Sarah's stuff set up here. I have some balloons. I have her robe and her hanger, and then her little gift that I got her that I showed you guys earlier in that gift bag there. And then I have my sister's robe, some balloons, her tote bag and makeup bag, and then I have her necklace in that bag. And then we have some games set up over here so that we can play that later on tonight, have some fun. So I'm super excited to show them all of that. Okay, and then this is our room. So when you first walk in the door, you have the bathroom, which is so pretty. I live for a nice bathroom. And then you have like another little sink over here with like the marble shower and tub. And then in here, it's kind of messy in here right now. This is our bed. Johnny's setting up some balloons in here, and I have my robe set up on my side of the bed and my mom's robe and her gift set up here. They're only staying one night, and then Johnny and I will stay here tomorrow night, but he is being amazing and setting up my bride balloons up above my bed, so thanks, babe.
Of course.
And then we have this little seating area. We have our cake topper, our cake stand, and our cutting utensils over here. And then we have some eucalyptus that we're gonna use to set up some of the pictures, and also for the ring box that we have. And then my suitcase that I have not unpacked yet. We're gonna get all set up and get our suitcases unpacked. My mom and my aunt and everybody should be here in a few minutes, so I'm gonna go let them in. And then I don't know how much I'm going to vlog tonight just because it is supposed to be a girls' night, so I will check in later. So I wanted to update you guys. We just got pizza for dinner from Sbarro's. It's delicious, so I'm excited for that, and we're gonna go enjoy. Also, I wanted to show you guys, we finally, I can't remember if this was up in the last clip that I did or not, but we finally got these balloons all set up above my bed. So it says bride to be, and it has all of these balloons around. We'll probably blow up more tomorrow for pictures, but I thought that that was super adorable, and I wanted to have that up to like take pictures and everything tomorrow, so super cute. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here just so that I can spend some time with my family and just kind of hang out with them as my night before the wedding kind of get together. I don't want to take too much time away from them. Stay tuned for next Tuesday because I should have my wedding day vlog up that day to kind of show you guys all the happenings of the big day. So that one will be a really exciting one. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and of course subscribe if you haven't already, and leave me a comment down below letting me know if you're excited for the wedding vlog. I'll see you guys Tuesday. Bye!